Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. I am Zulfa Ibrahim Abdul Rahman. So my understanding about the evolution of fiqh is that it explains about the fiqh and the sharia. It says that fiqh and sharia define as Islamic law. But fiqh literally means the true understanding, while the sharia means the straight path in the Quranic verse. In the evolution of fiqh, the term Islamic law will be used to mean the laws of Sharia and the laws of fiqh combined. So the development of fiqh falls traditionally into 6 major stages. So the first stage is foundation. In the first stage, we'll show the era of the Prophet. So the second stage is establishment. This is the era of the righteous caliph from the death of the Prophet to the middle of the 7th century CE. So the third stage is building. It is from the founding of the Umayyad dynasty until its decline in the middle of the 8th century CE. So the fourth stage is flowering. It is from the rise of the Abbasid dynasty in the middle of the 8th century CE to the beginning of its decline around the middle of the 10th century CE. So the fifth stage is the consolidation. It is from the decline of the Abbasid dynasty from about 960 CE to the murder of the last Abbasid caliph at the hands of Mongols in the middle of the 13th century CE. So the last stage is the stagnation and decline. It is the form of sacking of Baghdad in 1258 CE up to the present. So it is important for us to know or learn about the evolution of fiqh so that we will be able to know how did the Islamic law was born. Because some people will say that a certain thing is haram when it is really not. Like for example, in performing wudu. Because using a less water is because some people would say that using a lesser water in performing wudu is haram because it is not valid, but the truth is it is not haram or invalid because using a lesser water in performing wudu is called sunnah, but is only allowed to a certain circumstances. So that's all. Shukran.